Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drawer glide in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drawer glide. This drawer glide is located on the left side of the shelf in the fresh food compartment. Together with the right side glide, it supports the deli drawer, allowing it to slide in and out. The main reason for the drawer glide to be replaced is if it breaks or cracks, no longer supporting the drawer. To get to the part, we need to open the door. First, I'm going to pull out the drawer. And then I'm going to lift up the front and release the two hooks at the back so we can remove the shelf. And place it on a workable surface. Alright, so let's bring the shelf to the workable surface. That's going to be this side. We need to remove two Phillips screws. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Take the screws out, and then we can replace the glide. This is the old drawer glide next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Here's the new drawer glide. The screws will be installed into this opening and this opening. So I'm going to match the holes. And place the screws in. And I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to tighten the screws. And we can install the shelf back into the fridge. And now I'm going to place that rear hooks into the cutouts here. Make sure that they are properly installed and lower down the front. And we're going to slide in the drawer. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.